Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and in this video we are going to learn about remaining part of statistics for grade 6. Okay, so let's start the lesson. See, first thing what we are going to learn is outlier. What do you mean by outlier? See, its name is telling the definition. Out means something far away from the other things. Okay, so outlier means the number or any number which lies very away from the other numbers. For example, suppose some group of the students are sitting like this. Okay, they are in the group, one student is sitting here, so this student is outlier. Yes, similarly, not only after, it can be before also. Means if one student is sitting here, then this is also outlier. Okay, so it is not like that we see that the difference is there, means some distance is there, and then we say that this is outlier. No, there is a proper method to find the outlier. Okay, so first of all you must understand the meaning of outlier. What is the meaning? If a number lies far away from the other numbers, then it is called outlier. Okay, like this, you see, this is the majority of the students, majority of the group is sitting here, one student is sitting here, or one student is sitting here, so both of them are called outlier. Okay, now how to find the outlier, I'll tell you with the help of one example. Just try to understand. Okay, see, first of all I'll write the formula for this. What is the formula? Formula is, I told you about the Q1, if you remember. Q1 means first quartile. Okay, so its lower limit, lower number, because for the outlier we want two numbers, minimum and maximum. Okay, so how you will find the minimum or lower number? It will be equal to Q1 minus 1.5 times of interquartile range. Lower value, lower limit will be equal to Q1 minus 1.5 times of interquartile range, and its upper limit will be what? It will be third quartile plus 1.5 times interquartile range. Okay, now with the help of this, if any number is after this number, means after Q3, after this upper limit, then that will be called outlier. And if any number is before this limit, then it will be also called outlier. Okay, so now we will try to find here. So what does it mean, this formula? This formula means that if you want to find the outlier, then you will have to find first quartiles, third quartile, and the interquartile range. It means you will have to do everything what I have told you in my last video. Okay, so let's complete the question. This is, so first of all we'll write the numbers in the proper increasing order. This will be 0, then another 0 also, 2, 3, 3, one more 2 is there, 2, 3, 3, okay, 2, 0 done, 2 done, 3, 2, 3, 0. Now what left? 6, 8 and 18. Okay, now see here, it seems that 18 should be an outlier, yes, but we are going to check. How I told you like this? Because all other numbers are below 10, but this number is far above than 10. So 18 seems to be outlier, but we will check this. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So odd numbers are there. So in middle, what number will be? 3 will be the middle number. You check. 4 number this side, 4 number this side. So 3 is the median. So here median will be equal to 3. Median means second quartile. Okay, now what about the first quartile? I told you first quartile will be the center number of the first half. So in the first half you have two numbers, so first quartile Q1 is equal to 0 plus 2 divided by 2 means 1. This is the first quartile, and the third quartile will be the center number of the second half. So it will be 6 and 8, two numbers, so 6 plus 8 divided by 2 means 7. Okay, so first quartile is 1 and third quartile is 7. What will be interquartile range? Interquartile range, what formula I told you? Q3 minus Q1. So it will be 7 minus 1, and 7 minus 1 means 6. Okay. Now what will be the lower limit? Lower limit of the numbers will be, what formula I told you? Q1 minus 1.5 times of interquartile range. Means what is the value of Q1? It is 1 minus 1.5 times of 6, means 1 minus 9 means minus sorry, 1 minus 9 means minus 8. And what is the upper limit? Upper limit is Q3 plus 1.5 times of interquartile range, means Q3 was 7 plus 1.5 times of 6 interquartile range. So 7 plus 9, 7 plus 9 is 16. So lower limit should be minus 8, means any number before minus 8 will be outlier, and any number after 16 will also be an outlier. So what you can see here, we have one number 18 which is more than 16. So what you will write here? 18 is bigger than 16. So 18 is an outlier. Okay. Like this you can solve the question. Now another question can be, for the given box plot a student says that there is no outlier. See, by the picture we can see that 10 is far away from other numbers. Okay, because this box plot also, it is very close to the lower number. It means maximum of the numbers are from 0 to 3. So of course 10 is going to be outlier, but we will check with the formula also. Okay, see here first quartile. Where is the first quartile in the box? I told you that this is the first line which represents first quartile. So Q1 is equal to 1, Q3 is equal to 3, that is the third quartile, this line, and interquartile range, it will be equal to Q3 minus Q1, means 3 minus 1, that is 2. So lower limit will be equal to Q1 minus 1.5 times of interquartile range, means 1 minus 1.5 times of 2, that is 1 minus 3, means minus 2. And what will be the upper limit? Upper limit will be Q3 plus 1.5 times of interquartile range, means Q3 is 2. So 2 plus 1.5 times 2, that is 2 plus 3, means 5. So you see, any number after 5 will be an outlier. So what you can see here? So 10 is bigger than 5. Yes, because 10 is the last number in the data. So 10 is the outlier. Okay. So it means the student says it is wrong. Okay. Because there will be an outlier, and that outlier will be 10. Okay. Now next question can be, the histogram shows the number of runs a team scored each game. Describe the histogram. Now you see, like the box plot I told you, in the histogram also, by seeing the picture you can decide so many things. Okay, like what all the things you can see here? First of all, you see the gap. There is a gap. Yes, so gap is in between 4 to 7. Yes, because there are two continuous gaps, 4 to 5 and 6 to 7. So you can write 4 to 7, there is a gap, means there is no box. Okay. Now lowest number of runs, lowest runs scored was 0 to 1, because its upper limit is 1. You see. Now most runs scored is, what is that? The highest limit of this histogram. So this is 7. So most run scored by 7 students or 7 player, and that was from 10 to 11 runs. Okay, like this you can see, you can describe about the histogram also. See my dear students, these things are very easy for you. Just if it is a multiple choice question, just look at the options carefully and see what options are matching with your question. And if it is an open response question, then it is very good. Whatever you can read from the question, whatever you can understand from the question, you just write in your exam. Okay, I'm sure you understood this question and this will be very easy for you. Next will be find the median of the following dot plot. Now you see, before I told you that find the median with the numbers. Now here dot plot is given to us and we have to find the median. So how we can do this? We can write the numbers in a proper order with their frequency. So 0, we have 2 dots for 0. It means 0 is for 2 times. Okay. Now 1 dot for 1. So it means we have 1 only 1 time. 2 dots for 2 also. I am sure you are seeing this. So 2 will be 2 times. Then 3 will be 3 times. Then 4 will be 4 times. And then 5 will be only 1 time, because for 5 we have only 1 dot. Okay. So what is the middle number here? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 means odd number. So very good. In the middle you will have only one number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from here go. What is the left number here in the middle? 3. So this 3 is the median. Okay, like this. Or you can do it from the dot also. Just what you will do, I will tell you. See, 1 dot you cut from here, 1 dot you cut from here, then you cut from here, then you cut from here, then next, next, like this. You just cancel it. Okay, and what it will be left at last? You will be left with only 1 dot, and that dot represents 3. So 3 will be the median. Okay, like this you can do the question. It is your choice. Okay, this is the traditional way what I told you, and this it depends on your counting skills and other things also. Okay, I'm sure this question is easy for you. Now next will be find the cluster. Now what is this cluster? Cluster means where maximum of the dots are there. Where you can see maximum of the dots means a group of dots. Like for example, in the class, if you see, like this is your classroom, and like all the students are sitting like this, like this, like this, and 2 students are sitting here, or 3 students are sitting here. So what you can see? You can see that maximum of the students are sitting in this area. Yes. So this is the cluster. This is the cluster. So what you can see in this picture? You can see that maximum of the dots are from 0 to 2. So what you will write here? There is a cluster from 0 to 2. Yes, because maximum of the dots are from 0 to 2, and these 2 are outside, so just they are not the part of cluster. Okay. Now next can be symmetric and non-symmetric distribution. Okay, what is this symmetric? See, symmetric means similar. Symmetric means similar. It is very easy for you to understand. I am telling you, if you get a graph like this, for example, if you get the distribution graph like this, where this median line is in the center like this, this is the line of median. Okay, so if median is in the center, then what you can see here, the left portion and right portion are almost same. So this type of graph is called symmetric graph or symmetric distribution. Okay, but if you see like this means graph is not in the center, it is inclined towards left. So that is called not symmetric. Okay, and similarly it can be like this also, like this. Okay, so it is also not in the center, so it is also not symmetric. And same goes with the box plot also. I will tell you. See, if you have a box plot like this, okay, and if median is in the middle, this is the median line I told you before also. If median is in the middle, then it is called symmetric or not skew. Okay, and if it is in the left side, just only I will draw the box. Okay, if median is towards the first quartile, then it is called right skew. skew. It is just a simple question you may have in your exam, that which of the following graph represents left skew or right skew or symmetric. Okay, and if that median line is on the right, means third quartile, close to the third quartile, then this graph will be left skew. Okay, like this you can remember it, and I am sure this will be very easy for you. Okay, now I am sure you understood this topic, and still if you think that some problem is there, then you can ask the question, you can write the in the comment, and then I will try to explain in another way. And if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.